What's the meaning of continence? Continence. Continence.
Continence. Continence. Continence refers to the ability to control one's bodily functions, particularly with regards to urination and defecation. It is the ability to voluntarily hold back urges to urinate or defecate until an appropriate time and place. Continence can be achieved through various means such as training the muscles of the pelvic floor or medication. The result of continence is improved quality of life, increased confidence, and a sense of independence. Those who struggle with lack of continence may experience embarrassment, social isolation, and a decreased ability to engage in everyday activities.